everyone, we have prepared latest market updates for February 20th, 2023. YouTube appoints new CEO focused on Web3. Google-owned YouTube has appointed Web3-friendly Neil Mohan as its new CEO following the departure of Susan Wojcicki this week. The latter left YouTube on 16th of February after 9 years at the helm, announcing plans to start a new chapter focusing on family, health, and personal projects. Prior to becoming the new CEO, Mohan served as YouTube's chief product officer and oversaw the controversial removal of the Don't Like Videos button, the introduction of YouTube Shorts to compete with TikTok and YouTube Music. As for Web3, in February 2022, Mohan outlined tentative plans to integrate a host of new features such as metaverse-based content experiences and non-playable tokenization of content (NFT), which caused displeasure of the NFT-hating community at the time. In particular, Mohan stressed that NFTs could be a new way for creators to engage with audiences and develop additional revenue streams. As an example, he cited the potential for creators to tokenize their videos, photos, artwork, and experiences. Tesco's shares rise amid claims of divestment. Tesco plc's shares rose slightly in early trading on Monday after Sky News reported that Britain's biggest supermarket chain had hired Goldman Sachs to advise on further plans for its financial services unit. Citing insiders, Sky News reported that the revenue is at a preliminary stage and may not result in a sale of the unit. One source cited by the publication claims that another possible option could be a partial sale or a joint venture. Scottish bank Tesco generated £400 million of revenue in the 19 weeks to 7th of January, according to its third quarter and Christmas results, up 14.6% on previous years, thanks to a normalization in consumer demand following the pandemic, which caused credit card spending and ATM transactions to rise. Tesco also confirmed its forecast for fiscal 2022-23 that the banking division will deliver adjusted operating profit of between £120 million and £160 million. The company will begin a review of its UK banking operations, which could lead to a possible sale of the business. Gold holds near 6-week low amid rate hike. Gold prices hovered around the 6-week low on Monday, barely moving as traders awaited new signals on U.S. monetary policy from a number of Federal Reserve speakers this week, as well as minutes from the central bank's February meeting. The yellow metal has suffered 3 consecutive weeks of losses, falling sharply from a 9-month high earlier this year as overrated inflation figures and signs of growth in U.S. labor markets indicated the Fed had enough incentive to continue raising interest rates in the near term. Spot gold was unchanged at $1,837.89 an ounce, while gold futures were a little changed at $1,846.95 an ounce. Both instruments have suffered losses for 3 consecutive weeks. The yellow metal fell sharply in 2022 when the Fed began aggressively raising rates to curb inflation. Markets are now unsure if U.S. interest rates will peak this year, with some analysts suggesting the final rate could exceed 6%. Rising interest rates are pushing up U.S. Treasury bond yields, which in turn are increasing the opportunity cost of holding non-earning assets such as gold.